In this video, I'm going to verify Maximo 7.6 is operational and that the required components for Anywhere are installed on the admin workstation. To do this, open a browser and go to the Maximo login URL. Enter a username and password and log in. Once you've logged in, click on the Help icon and select System Information. You should see the TPay OSLC object structure 762 and the IBM Maximo Anywhere 762 displayed in the System Information dialog box. To verify the OSLC object structures exist in the database, navigate to the Go to Applications menu and select Integration Object Structures. In the Consume By field, type OSLC and hit Enter. A list of OSLC object structures should appear. This verifies that the Maximo Anywhere 762 required components have been installed successfully in your Maximo 7.6 system. You can now sign out of Maximo.